Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the updated steps on how to change your first name on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to update your professional identity or simply prefer a different name, the process is straightforward. Let's dive in. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings easily. Next, click on the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon typically features your profile picture and is your gateway to managing your account. Once you're in, enter Settings by selecting it from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a variety of options related to your LinkedIn account. From here, navigate to Account Preferences. This section contains important settings that allow you to customize how your profile appears to others. Now, look for profile information and click on Name, Location, and Industry. Here, you'll find the option to edit your name details. To change your first name, simply click on the Edit icon next to your current name. This will open up fields where you can input your new first name. Under First Name, go ahead and enter the name you wish to use. This is an important step as it helps ensure that connections and potential employers can find you easily. After making your changes, don't forget to click Save. This finalizes your update and ensures that everyone sees your new name moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully changed your first name on LinkedIn. Remember, keeping your profile updated is essential for networking and professional visibility. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn experience.